Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Vickers Couple. We are here walking. Of course we're walking. Of course we're walking.
The obvious channel.
We are here at the canal.
Well, the canal and the river, isn't there?
Yeah. So just a little bit walk, and then after this we're going to groceries. And tomorrow is another week. Our friend Squirrel over there. So bye everyone. See ya. See ya.
Bye. The duck.
You're alone. Scared.
Something scaring the duck.
Yeah, there's one over there, so we want this one to fly
I know that's
to
what
come here, but
So once this duck starts feeding, then maybe the swans will come. But this one seems to be very scared.
yeah, maybe we can go there closer.
Go a bit further. And the ducks.
Maybe here na lang, my love. Did you see, no? Ah! Look at that, the other one here. The other one, they didn't see, but it's the other one here coming. This one is crow. Maybe this one is not hungry. No.
Usually they're always hungry.
Yeah. No. You can go closer na lang.
Gotta get them to fly, though.
Yeah, but it's so hard. I don't know if he can see us or he can see us or what. Oh,
Not interested.
yeah.
But if he tastes it, he'll like it because they like that food.
The other one here is he. Maybe here. Yeah, look. Oh.
Well, the ducks like it, but
Yeah, the ducks. The other one is donking there.
but the swan's not bothered at all. It's
No, don't like. I don't
just
know.
sat there.
Yeah.
Hasn't tried any of it.
Yeah.
Well, the other one's coming now.
The other one here, always drinking. No. Maybe here, my love, the other one. Oh, look. Nah, the other one don't bother. This one along. And the crow in your side.
I've got different food for the crow.
Uh-huh.
I've got the seedy type of food for the crow.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's good.
Maybe this one's full as well. There was some mighty plenty of it then, it didn't bother.
There's some other.
Yeah.
Eat. The other one is far.
The other one's not bothered.
And it's not hungry.
Maybe she's not right.
No, no. Do you have the other one for the swan food? Duck and swan food?
There's stuck as one food, yeah. But like I say, they might have been full up. You know.
Okay.
I think a lot of people come here and feed them, don't they? And some people come with proper duck and swan food, and some people come with bread, and some people come with all kinds of things, don't they?
Let's go now.
Yeah.
We'll go to the other side. Well, the other one.
There was a lot of ducks the other side, wasn't there?
Where? There?
When we came in, yeah.
Okay.
Let's try the...
Don't bother also. The other one there.
The other ones down there, because these might have been fed a lot, you know. There's quite a lot of there that's going to come down as well, I think. Just where they're running out of food.
Can go now? Okay. This is only one by one.
Hoping that I'm going to drop something. There's quite a lot coming down, but it's just that they're swimming, not
No. They don't fly.
No.
The other one, they're only swimming.
They're not making enough noise to call the others, really.
Because if they like or hungry, they will fly, right?
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah. They're not hungry. Okay. Let's go now to the other side there. Come along.
There's loads in the water.
That's why they're not hungry.
Yeah.
So many food in the water.
It's the same stuff as well.
The boat. The canal boat. Longer?
They're very trusting because they've got bags of coal on the roof.
Yeah, this one's longer, no?
No, they're all... well, you've got two different types. You've got the shorter one and then that's about the same length. Occasionally you get ones that are slightly longer. I think last time we were here there was one with a little bit like a trailer.
Yeah.
But it was in front. So that made it a bit longer as well.
Some other.
Yeah.
They are old.
Yeah.
This one is not.
Well, it depends because all it takes is a coat of paint and it doesn't look old anymore. It might still be underneath, but for this one here, they've got a lot of electricity. They've got 3 panels.
Yeah.
And growing lots of plants on the roof.
That one, my love, maybe they will come here now. Do you have still food?
Yeah. But if there's all that food in the water, then I don't think they'll bother.
Look at the crow. The crow here also. And the river at this side here. Maybe you can throw
I'm already doing
my
it.
lip with a crow.
But I don't think the crow will come down when there's people around. You have to step back to see if he'll come down.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
But I think there are people coming.
Yeah, there is. Really
The back, our back. That's why.
Well, they'll take it in their mouth and then go away so that they're safe.
Gone.
But once we've gone, they'll come back and...
Yeah. So this the river here. The river is not really big.
You can see that the river's been high. As you see all the stuff in the tree,
Yeah.
the leaves and the crap, that's been washed down from the river.
Okay. This one is from the. This one from the
Close to
here.
the canal, yeah.
The canal. Yeah. So that water is from the canal.
Yeah, it's so that the canal doesn't overflow.
Oh, okay. Here they're hungry. Oh, they're talking. Oh, they're talking.
It's like, let me get the food, let me get the food. I'm hungrier than you. See? Some of the girls are more crafty, they wait just right in front of you to sort of, for you to drop some.
Oh, the three. They're all talking. Oh, she wants more, my love. She wants more. Ay. No more, na?
Yep, that's it.
You didn't bring this one for this one and the.
That is a steppers one.
Ay.
And then this is for the normal birds.
Oh, you can give me. Ah, you can give na lang there the other one there at the path.
Well, we're not going
I
that
will
way
put
now,
na-
we were going that way.
Okay, you can put na there.
Well, to start, if we went that way, you're going to the actual birds thing, isn't it? But never mind.
Where is that?
Over the bridge, isn't it?
There, right?
Yeah, but I've just tipped it out now. I've just tipped it on out.
Ah, it's okay.
This way is where you see the blue tits and the robins and things like that.
Oh, yeah.
They put nuts and things.
This
out
way
for the
there.
birds. Yeah.
The bridge.
I forgot.
Oh,
I
yeah.
tipped it out.
Another train there.
Train sounds like a cow or a bull.
Oh. It literally landed there. This one just flew right past you. That's what we need, some more birds and
There's finches down there as well. The jay,
so many.
chaffinch.
Goldfinch. Still frozen here.
Yeah. Just a patch of wetland that's frozen.
Yeah. He's there. No.